Hello students, myself Sonal teacher and I welcome you all in computer class. So students, in previous lecture we have learned about parts of computer. So in that we have learned about monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, speaker, printer, microphone. These all are the parts of computer. So today we are going to start with our fifth chapter, that is mouse clicking. In this chapter we are going to learn about one part of computer which is very small in size but which helps the user to work on computer, which helps the user to select many things, to open any document, file. With the help of mouse you can do many things on computer. So shall we start with our fifth lesson? It's on page number 24, mouse clicking. First point is mouse. Mouse is a part of the computer that we have learned in the last chapter only, that mouse is a part of computer. It is used to give instruction to the computer, and mouse is used to give the instructions or information to the computer. The mouse is a small device. It is also a very small device rather than of all other parts of computer. It has a left mouse button, a right mouse button and scroll button in the middle. So this is the right button, this is left button, and the middle one is a scrolling button. This button helps you to take the page up and down. The scroll button is used for running through programs and files. So this, with the help of right button you can select a pop-up menu, and with the help of left button you can select a file, folder, or you can open any kind of browser applications, and with the help of this middle one button you can scroll the page up and down whatever there on the monitor. There are different types of mouse available. Some may have the scroll button, some may have not. So you can see in this figure 5.1.1, they have shown us a different type of mouse. So mouse comes in a different size as well and different types as well, and some maybe have the middle one scrolling button or some may not have. So understood about mouse. It is a small device of computer which help us to give instruction to the computer. With the help of that, three buttons, left, right and scrolling button. Left button help us to select any item or folder on computer. With the help of double clicking of left button, we can open document or browser. Next thing about right button, with the help of right button we can open an pop-up menu, and again for scrolling button it helps us to take a page up and down. So next point is mouse pointer. When we start a computer we see a small arrow on the screen as shown in figure 5.2.1. So you can see here on page number 25 students. Here we can see a small arrow, right, in a white color. So this arrow is called as a mouse pointer. This small arrow is called a mouse pointer. So this is a mouse pointer. The screen that we see is called the desktop. So this screen is called as a desktop, and this arrow is mouse pointer, and the small pictures you can see over here, those are called as a icons. So the window is, the screen is desktop, this arrow is mouse pointer, and this all are the icons over here. To use a mouse, hold the mouse and rest your hand on the mouse as shown in figure 5.2.1. So when you are using a mouse, you need to grab the mouse properly in your palm, in your hand, and it fits into your palm. It's not more bigger, it's a smaller in size. जो आपके हाथ में आराम से बैठता है. So okay, so this is the correct way how to hold the mouse properly. So which are the arrow which is there on the screen, it is called as arrow, mouse pointer. The screen that we can see, it is blue screen, it is desktop, and again these are the icons over here, and this is the correct way to hold the mouse. Next is 5.3, moving the mouse pointer. So now we have learned about mouse pointer. So now how to move the mouse pointer to select an item or file. To move the mouse pointer, move the mouse on a mouse pad. So when you want to move this arrow, if you want to take this arrow towards here, so if you want to take the arrow here in the yellow color, so you need to move your mouse. How your mouse will move, this mouse pointer will move in corresponding manner. Notice that the pointer on the screen also move in the same direction. So how you are going to take your, if you are taking your mouse in upward, upside, so your mouse pointer will also go upside. If you are taking downside, it will come in downside. If you are taking right, left, it will go according how you are moving the mouse on mouse pad. See, here the mouse pointer is here, and after moving the mouse pointer change the place, it comes here. So with the help of mouse only you can change the location of your mouse pointer. Understood about how to move the mouse? आपको बस अपने हाथों से माउस को मूव करना है. जैसे जैसे आप माउस मूव करेंगे, आपका माउस पॉइंटर की लोकेशन चेंज, आपके माउस पॉइंटर की प्लेस भी चेंज होगी. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज सिंगल क्लिक द माउस. We need to press the mouse button to give instruction to the computer. In starting point, we have learned about mouse have two buttons. One is left and another one is right button, right? So we need to press those buttons for giving instruction to the computer. When you press them, you hear the click sound. So when you press the mouse button, you hear a sound of clicking the button. Now turn your page on page number 26. Let us learn how to single click the mouse button. We commonly use the term click for single click. When I used to say click the button, that means you need to press the button once. It means, say click means single click. Suppose we want to click on the computer icon on the desktop using the mouse. Then we need to follow the below points. So if we want to select an icon on the desktop, you know icons means this small pictures. If you want to select those icons, let's learn how to select an icon with the help of mouse. Place the mouse pointer over a computer icon. So here you can see a small computer. So you need to take your mouse on this icon. So to taking this mouse towards computer icon, you need to move your mouse with your hands. Then your index finger press. Your index fingers you have to press and release the left mouse button quickly. You need to press it quickly and you need to release the mouse button. Which button you are going to place? Left button. Your index finger should be on the left button of mouse. This is referred to as a clicking. So this is procedure is called as a clicking. When you are clicking, single click. Notice that the computer icon on the desktop is highlighted, which shows that it is selected. When you can see this changes in the icons, that means your folder or your icon is selected. You can see it looks in a highlighted color, so that means it is selected. So what is the procedure? You need to take your mouse to the icons of files which you want to select. Then you need to hold the mouse properly. Your index finger should be on your left button of mouse. Then you need to press the left button once quickly, and next you have to release the left button quickly. So this is how you are going to select an item. This we learn about single click. Now we are going to learn about double click. Double click the mouse. We learn how to use the mouse to click, means single click. Double clicking the mouse is nothing but clicking the left mouse button twice. Let us try. Now we have learned about once clicking, and now we are going to learn about how to press the double button of left button. So when you press the single button, when you do the single click, the item is selected, and when you click the double clicking, that time that icon is open, that folder or file is gets open. So now let's learn the below points. Again, place the mouse pointer over the computer icon. Again you have to take your pointer to the computer icon. Press and release the mouse button, left mouse button quickly twice with your index finger. Quickly you have to press the left button twicely. 2 बार आपको click करना है. The computer windows open on the screen. So this folder will opens on the desktop screen. This is known as double clicking. So this was a single click when you are pressing the left button once. When you press the left button twice, it called as a double clicking. So today we learn about mouse, students. In that we learn about what is the use of mouse. So mouse is used to give this instruction to the computer. It is a small part of the computer device, and it have 3 buttons, left, right and scroll button, which help the user to handle the computer. Next we learn about mouse pointer. The arrow which is there on the screen, it is called as a mouse pointer. This blue color screen is called as a desktop, and this small pictures are called as a icons. So for using a mouse, you need to grab the mouse properly. This is the correct way for grasping the mouse properly. To holding the mouse properly, your index finger should be on the left button. Next, how to move the mouse. We have learned about when you want to select an item, you need to move the mouse, and the mouse pointer will be moved in a corresponding manner. If you take the mouse upside, it will go up. If you taking down, it will come in down. Then we learn about single click. Single click means you can say as a click only. When you want to select any item or icons, you need to take the mouse first to the icon. Then you need to press the index finger quickly and release the button. Then you can see the icon is selected. It is called as a single click. Next we learn about double click. You need to again take the mouse pointer to the icon, and then you need to press the left button of mouse with your index finger twicely, and this icon will appear on a desktop screen. It get open. You can see whatever there inside this icons. So this is called as a double click. I hope students you all have understood. If you have any kind of query or doubt, you can call me or message me. I will share some question and answers and filling the blanks on WhatsApp group. Kindly complete it in a textbook also and in your 4-line computer notebook also. Thank you.